Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a continuation of exercise 11.4. So in my previous video I have completed till 4th main. Now let us begin from the 5th main. That is, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Here the question is prove the following. That means prove that. Very important. Fifth main is which is very important. So first one, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is equals to this we have to prove. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is very important question. So I have written here. Let us take LHS is equals to, now cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. We should prove this. We should bring the answer. We know that cosec theta is reciprocal ratio of cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Cosec is 1 upon sin minus cot is cos upon sin. I have told in my previous videos also that we should be well practice for formulas. Unless and until we don't know formula, we cannot proceed here. Cot theta is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta. Now we can see here denominator is same. So let me write sin theta as single denominator. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now let us separate this square. What we will get? 1 minus cos theta square upon sin square theta. Like numerator and denominator, I have opened the bracket. Now 1 minus cos theta square is nothing but 2 times. So let me write 2 times 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. 2 times I have written because it is square here, and we know that sin square theta identity is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. I have told in identities sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So we know that 1 is nothing but 1 square. So 1 square minus cos square theta. A square, for example here, A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B, A minus B. So 1 square minus cos square theta, I have written 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. 1 is nothing but we will consider it as 1 square. So A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. We have learned this formula identity. So let me write now numerator as it is. I'll write 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta upon in denominator I'll write A square minus nothing means square. A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B means 1 square minus cos square theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now we can see here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled. What remains? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta remains, which is equal to RHS. They told us to prove this only, so we can see in the question. See, 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. We got answer 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Very important question. Okay. Let us see the second one question now. Now let us see the second question. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equals to 2 sec A. Prove this to this. We should prove cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equals to 2 sec A. Okay, let us prove this. LHS is equals to cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now we need to bring answer to sec A. Let us cross multiply. Okay, this into this and this into this. We know how to cross multiply. This into this and this into this, then this into this. Let us start. Cos A into cos A is cos square A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A square 2 times upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now in the next step what we have to do is cos square A I'll keep as it is, plus we know A plus B whole square formula. We know that A plus B whole square formula, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square, or A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A plus B whole square, this is considered as A, this is considered as B. So 1 square plus 2AB plus B square upon denominator I'll keep as it is, cos A into 1 plus sin A I'll keep as it is. Denominator I have kept as it is. Now next step, cos square A sin square A I'll bring near. Cos square A plus sin square A I have brought near, because we know the identity. Cos square A plus sin square A is nothing but 1. Plus 1 square is nothing but 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 into sin A, 2 sin A. Okay. Upon denominator as it is, cos A into 1 plus sin A. In the next step now, what we have to do, cos square A plus sin square A we have to consider it as 1, because we know identity. In place of cos square A plus sin square A I am writing 1 plus 1 more 1 is there as it is, plus 2 sin A as it is, upon denominator cos A into 1 plus sin A I have kept as it is, because we have to bring the answer now. So based on that we have to solve. 1 plus 1 2. 2 into 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. I didn't change the denominator anything, as it is we have kept. Now we can see in the numerator 2 is common. So let me take 2 as common. What left? If 2 is common, nothing means 1. Here 2 common I have taken out, remain sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now we can see 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. So what is left out now? 2 into 1 by cos A left. Cos A left na, 2 outside only, 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is nothing but sec A. Reciprocal ratio of 1 by cos A is sec A. So we need answer to sec A as RHS we got. We can see one more time. See, solve this by answer should be 2 sec A, and every step clearly I have explained, and we got the answer 2 sec A. So this is the question number 2nd. Let us see the question 3rd now. Now 3rd question. Prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. We need to bring 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Hint they have given, write the expressions in terms of sin theta and cos theta. They have told convert these tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So let us start solving. I have written here, prove that tan theta upon 1 minus, I'll write LHS tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Properly we have to solve this because we have to convert this in the terms of sine and cos. Okay. So first tan theta I'll write sine theta upon cos theta, tan theta, okay, upon 1 minus cot theta I will write cos theta upon sine theta. Okay, this is just this, plus sign I'll write as it is. Cot is nothing but cos theta upon sine theta. We know this. In the beginning only, in the first introduction only we have learned this. 1 minus as it is I'll write sine, tan theta is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta. Now next step what we have to do? What we have to do is numerator I'll keep as it is, but denominator we will cross multiply. Okay. Sine theta upon cos theta in the numerator I have kept as it is upon sine theta into 1. Sine theta into 1 is nothing but sine theta minus cos theta as it is complete upon sine theta. Okay. This side also same thing we have to write. This is middle upon plus cos theta upon sine theta I will keep as it is numerator. In the denominator cos theta into 1 cos theta minus sine theta as it is upon cos theta. Okay. Next step now what we have to do is we will just cross multiply. We know divide will become multiply when we reciprocal. What we have to do, we will divide will become multiply. This side sine theta upon cos theta I'll keep as it is. This divide will become multiply if we reciprocal this. Sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta is there na. Sine theta upon sine theta minus cos theta. Reciprocal. Divide will become multiply. Then we should, denominator should be reciprocal. Same thing plus I will write as it is. Cos theta upon sine theta as it is. Divide will become multiply if we reciprocal this. Cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. Okay. Now in the next step sine theta into sine theta is sine square theta upon cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Then here I will plus will become minus. Why I am changing common, I am taking this minus, I am taking as common and it will become plus now. See how I am taking cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta as it is upon sine theta I'll keep as it is and I'll change the sign here. Sine theta minus cos theta. I have taken common, minus as common and have made minus sine theta become plus sine theta and plus cos theta become minus cos theta. How it is you can see. Minus plus minus 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 plus. I have taken the minus as common. Okay, now here what we can see, denominator is same. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta is same in both the case. So I am taking common. Okay, I am taking sin theta, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta as common. 1 upon, only 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta common. Only sin theta minus cos theta if I have taken outside as common. What is left? Here it is left sin squared theta and here I have taken already common, left only cos theta, minus as it is, left cos square theta as it is, upon sin theta minus cos theta I have taken common, only sin theta left. Okay. So next step, in next step this 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, let it be outside only. Here let us see inside, sin into sin square, cross multiply let us do, sin theta into sin square theta, sin cube theta, minus cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta, upon sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta as it is. Now we know the formula, we know that, again I'll write, we know that a cube minus b cube formula, here sin cube minus cos cube, a cube minus b cube formula we should know, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula for a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So let us write formula here. This I'll keep as it is, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta as it is outside. Let us write formula now. A cube minus b cube, sin cube theta minus cos cube theta is sin theta minus cos theta. Formula a minus b, sin theta minus cos theta into a square, sin square theta plus a into b, sin theta cos theta, based on completely formula. A is sin theta, b is cos theta. Just we have to substitute in the formula, plus b square cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta in the denominator as it is. So we can see here it is in multiply form. Multiply form means we can cancel easily. So sin theta cos theta get cancelled, sin theta cos theta get cancelled, minus, both minus, so it get cancelled. What is left out now? Sin square theta, I'll bring plus cos square theta near so that it will be easy for us to make identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I'll bring sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta in the denominator as it is. Here we can't cancel directly because plus signs are there in between. Here multiply was there, so we easily cancelled. Here we can't cancel. Now next step, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Now let me do here only this step. Next step, 1 is of sin theta cos theta also, and this is the plus. So we will separate this. 1 upon sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. We will separate, that is 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. What I have done here, this plus both I have separated. 1 upon sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Now separated means it get cancelled. It get cancelled. Okay. Now let us continue back side. What we have got cancelled here. So 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus 1. What we have to do? Okay, I'll do one more time that step. What we have done here, 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. I have done one more time this so that it should be continuity. These get cancelled. Now 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus 1. Okay. Now 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta plus 1. What they have told to prove? They have told to prove but 1 we should write here, sec theta first they have told, then cosec theta or cosec theta first, sec theta next. This only they have told to prove so that I can show you what they have told us to prove. See, 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This only they told to prove and we got 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. We got the answer. How this step? 1 by cos, 1 by sin is cosec, 1 by cos is sec, plus 1 as it is. Okay. So this complete the third main question. Let us see the fourth one. One plus sec a upon sec a is equals to sin square a upon 1 minus cos square a. Hint they have given, simplify LHS and RHS separately. What they have told? You should solve LHS separately and RHS separately, but both answers should be equal. They have told in the question. Okay, let us write. Question I'll write now. What they have told? 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equals to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. Okay, LHS should be equal to RHS they have told in the question. How we will do that? LHS is equals to RHS now. Let us start solving. First I'll take LHS. LHS is equals to 1 plus sec a upon sec a. We will solve this first. I'll keep 1. Sec is nothing but 1 by cos. We know sec is nothing but 1 by cos upon sec is again nothing but 1 upon cos. Okay. Now we will cross multiply here this side. Next step. Cos a into 1 cos a plus 1 upon cos a upon 1 upon cos a as it is. Now we can see in this step cos a get cancelled. What is left? Only cos a plus 1 by 1 means it does not have value. So cos a plus 1 we got answer. What we did? 1 plus sec a. 1 plus sec means 1 upon cos a upon sec a means 1 upon cos a. Cos a into 1 cos a plus 1 as it is, complete upon cos a. Denominator I wrote as it is 1 upon cos a. Then cos a get cancelled, left cos a plus 1. Now let us see the RHS. Both answers should be same they told now. Sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. Okay. Now let us solve this. Sin square a. We know that sin square a is nothing but 1 minus cos square a. Sin square a value is 1 minus cos square a. I'll write denominator 1 upon cos a as it is. Now we nothing means here square. We know that just now I have done a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is nothing but 1 square minus cos square a is nothing but 1 plus cos a 1 minus cos a. A plus b, a minus b. Denominator as it is 1 minus cos a. So 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a got cancelled and what we left out? 1 plus cos a. So here this is LHS, this is RHS. Both is same. Both answer we got 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a. Cos a plus 1 is same as 1 plus cos a. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Both answer we got same, that is 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a. This completes the question 4th. Let us see the question number 5, that is prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equals to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity, they have told using the identity cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. That identity which I have told here, let me write which it is, which identity they have told. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. If I bring cot square A, this cosec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. This identity we have to use to solve this problem. Okay, let us solve. Let me LHS, I'll take LHS is equals to cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. What we have to do to bring the answer? Divide numerator and denominator. What I am doing? Denominator by sin A. Both we have to divide by sin A. Let us start dividing. Cos A by sin A, whole numerator. This minus sign I am keeping as it is. Sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. To bring the answer, we are dividing the whole numerator. This is numerator and denominator by sin A. Cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Whole the thing we have divided by numerator and denominator by sin A. Okay. Cos by sin is what? Cot. Cos by sin, cot A. Minus sin get cancel 1. 1 by sin, cosec. You should remember the identities well. I have written reciprocal ratio. Cos by sin, cot A. Because they have told in terms of cosec and cot na, so we have divided by sin A, so that we can get in terms of cosec and cot. Sin get cancel plus 1. 1 by sin is cosec. Okay. Now in next step, I'll bring this as near cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay. Now in numerator, one place I'll write. We know that identity. They have told to use identity what? Cosec square A minus cot square A as 1. In place of 1, I am writing cosec square A and cot square A in numerator. What I am doing? Cot A as it is plus cosec A as it is I am writing. Minus I am writing as it is. One value, what I am writing? One value. They have told in the question to use this. So I am using cosec square A minus cot square A. Why? Because one place I am writing, because one value of 1 is cosec square A minus cot square A based on identity. Denominator I am writing as it is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. I am not using denominator. Why? Because denominator should get cancelled. We need answer cosec A plus cot A. So I am not changing anything in the denominator. Now we can see here cot A I will write as it is plus cosec A also I am writing as it is minus A square minus B square. Formula we know A plus B, A minus B. So I will write A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B, a plus b, a minus b formula I have written for a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. Upon denominator as it is. I am not changing anything in the denominator. Cot a minus cosec a plus 1. Here a square minus b square, I have written formula a plus b, a minus b. Clearly I have explained. So now we can see here in the numerator cot a plus cosec a, cot a plus cosec is common. In both the terms they are common. So I am taking cot a plus cosec a as common. Okay. If I take this common outside, this is common now. Nothing means what? I have taken common. Nothing here means 1. Minus cosec a plus cot a common. Cosec a plus cot a common. What is left? Cosec a minus cot a is left. Plus 1 I have taken common. So only minus sign 1 is left out. Upon denominator as it is cot a minus cosec a plus 1. Okay. Next, now this outside as it is be cot a plus cosec a, let it be as it is. Here I am 1, I am removing the bracket, minus plus minus cosec a minus plus cot a. Now in the denominator I will write 1 plus 1 as it is plus 1 minus cosec a, plus 1 will be here now, plus 1 is having positive sign, I have written 1 only. Okay, let me clearly write 1 as a positive sign 1. Minus cosec a, I am writing as it is. What sign is having cot plus cot a? I wrote as it is. I didn't do anything. I have just changed the places with their sign only. 1 is having plus sign. I have wrote 1 plus sign. Cosec a is having minus sign, minus cosec a. Cot a is having plus sign. Just change the places just to cancel out this. See, same thing we have 1 minus cosec a plus cot a. This got cancelled. Whole thing got cancelled. What is left out? We have got cot a plus cosec a. This only they have told to prove. Only they have told cosec a plus cot a. Here and there we can do when we have plus sign and minus sign with the sign. So this they told to prove. We got the answer. We can see one more time here. See, cosec a plus cot a they told to prove, and each step I have clearly shown how we have done. So we can see cosec a plus cot a. If you are confusing, you can again one time you can see from beginning to understand it well, because each step clearly I have explained. If you get confused 2-3 times, if you see this, you will understand it well. Okay. So in my next video, I am going to continue from 6th one, that is 5th main 6th one. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.